I can multitask, do this side, do that side. Hey, what's up, PC enthusiasts? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to mirror your phone, in the simplest way you can possibly think of. All you need is a USB cable. That's it. And a click of a button, then you're done. So without wasting time, I'm just gonna show you how the guys do it. Choose your browser, whichever browser that you want is fine. We're gonna go for screen copy. It's abbreviated, by the way. Sorry for the caps. It's abbreviated. It's scrcpy. All right. I'm gonna say GitHub. I like to get it from there. So wait, let me see if it's gonna be the first link. I'm not sure. It was supposed to just write screen. Okay, this is the one. All right. So the first link I clicked was the one. I thought it was just gonna write this exactly. It was like that at first. It was just straight to the point. Once you're in the GitHub, you're gonna navigate to your right. All right, you're gonna see something like this, screen copy version 2.6.1 latest, and then you're gonna click on that. All right, once you click on that, you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna see the versions of them right here. If your PC is Windows 32-bit, you're gonna take that. All right, if it's 64-bit, you're gonna take that. This one, I don't know what that is for. Maybe you get to like download it first. It's some sort of like installer and something like that. Online installer. It could be an online installer. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go for the 64-bit because my desktop is 64-bit. All right, and then I'm gonna download that. Just gonna click save, and then once it's done, you're gonna open it, and then I'm still in the archive, and as you can guys tell, inside the folder straight up there's like files and not like an installer. So what you can do is this is the simplest way you can go about it. All right, you can actually go to your desktop. You can go to your desktop and then create a new folder. You can just right click and then go to new and then folder. Once you're here, just name your folder scrcpy. I'm gonna navigate into the folder, and I'm gonna take everything that's in here, just place this onto the side, place that on the side, and I'm gonna put it all in there. All right, and then once all that is in that folder, I can close this one. You can actually delete the archive folder. I mean the archive, you can delete it. You can delete the zip file because it just takes more of your space. As long as you have this, then you're good. So what you're gonna need to do right now is that you're gonna in the directory, there's this screen copy thingy, right? It's an executable file. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna right click on it. If you're using Windows 10, you'll see this right away, send to desktop. All right, you can send it to desktop right away. But if you're using Windows 11, you know what to do. You just come over here, right click, show more options, and then send to desktop. Once you do that, it's going to create a shortcut which makes it easier for you to connect to your phone. So what you need to do is, okay, I don't know if you guys can see this. Okay, this is the executable file. All right, so this is much easier than actually going into the folder all the time. So just click on this. Okay, but you're gonna open this once you have connected your PC to your phone using a USB cable. All right, and then once you click that, which I already have, by the way, you just double click on it, and then this window will pop up. All right, so this is a live. It's live. This is like real time. All right, so everything I do on this screen, it happens on my phone, and this is a real phone. It has a SIM card. I have 2 SIM cards inside, and you will see right here, this is the network. All right, it says Vodacom. So this is the network right here. It's not an emulator. It has Wi-Fi. I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, and I also have 2 SIM cards in here. So this is a real phone, and you can use it on your PC while you're busy with other stuff on the side, which is really cool if you ask me. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so let me see if I can I don't know how to prove this to you guys, but this is just it. I'm using my phone, and I can also use my PC at the same time. I can multitask. This is like the best thing ever. I can multitask, do this side, do that side. If they need like a verification code, I can go into my emails and then just type it in this side. This is dope. You know, you can also like, maybe if you wanna see your game in like on a full screen setup, if you're used to like playing, then you know that it's possible for you to just look at the screen and use a phone as a controller, right? That's if, I don't know, if you're playing PUBG, that's another story, but it still can be done. You know, it still can be done. So that's it for me. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Ciao.